This is your last chance to get more than $10,000 worth of bonuses from me for doing something that takes about 30 seconds of your time. And we are in beast mode right now because we only have a couple of days left in this big Hormozy contest that I've been in for a couple of weeks. And we just dropped out of top 10, so we have to make that up. Told you before that in the last 72 hours of the contest, everybody was going to go crazy, go ham, and that sleeping giants would emerge. And that's exactly what's happening. But I know that we can still win. And because I know that, and because I want to see you win in life, I have added an 11th bonus that is so incredible. I only usually do this with my inner circle members who pay thousands of dollars a year to work with me. And I'm doing it for you. And you have such a chance to win this. I can't even tell you. Okay, so let me tell you what's going on. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click the link below in the description. It's going to be in the description of this video. So if you're on a TV or something, you need to go to your mobile or go to your laptop and check it out. You're going to click on it. When you do, you'll get to this page. This is for Alex Hormozy's new book. If you're not familiar with him, look up his name. He's a really interesting and successful salesperson. He has sold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of offers and products and all kinds of things. And he has built his YouTube channel to the millions in the info space, which is almost unheard of. And he does these kind of fun, like things there. So it's just kind of fun. And what he's going to teach you is his $100 million money models. He has a $100 million offers book that you can already check out because it came out a couple years ago. He has his $100 million leads book, which is my favorite of his so far, which you can already check out because it came out already. And now he's closing that trifecta, the trilogy with the $100 million money models on August 16th, which is just a few hours away. He is having this live event online that everybody can go to, and he wants you to sign up. So you claim your free pass to the event. It honestly, when you click on that, it just takes seconds, like to fill this out, claim my spot, boom, done. And when you do that on my end, I see that you have signed up using my link, which is in the description below and is shown here in the URL here. When you use my link, I see your email address and then I send you the bonuses. And I'm going to try to show you the bonuses right now, but I want to start by showing you the bonus that is like amazing, the one that I talked about with like inner circle members. So let me make sure I have the right one. So yes, win a day with me. And not far off in a distant land, like just next month in September, you can win a day with me in Los Angeles. Now there's no travel or accommodation paid for, but you will spend a full day with me, which is what my inner circle members tend to do. Closed door. There will just be 10 of us, or 10 of you and me, so 11 of us. And we'll have lunch together. We'll do a full all day closed door meeting, mastermind type thing. We'll learn about the latest that I have for you for YouTube, for school, for your business. You'll get to talk about your business in front of me and the rest of the people, and we will all help each other. And these are absolutely, they're just priceless experiences. So you get to hang with me. It's just going to be, us hanging out in a conference room, and then probably go to Soho House. We'll do something like that. Just hang out. All you have to do to win that is you sign up, like I said before, to the link below to Hormozy's event. Okay, so you get to go to his event, you get his bonuses, you get my bonuses. That's a wrap. And I'll show you the bonuses in a minute. Then read this right here. If you can pause this if you want to, but read it where it says that all you have to do is then use my same link, my same affiliate link, which I'm not getting money for it. I'm just getting points per people who sign up. And then you give that link to someone else. Give it to 5, 10, 20 people and have them sign up for it. Once they confirm with you that they've signed up, have them send you an email that confirms it or something like that. Then there is a form that you will fill out, and I will then take that information with AI, compare it to the emails that have come in just to confirm. And then there is a leaderboard that's on the actual page. So every single day I've been updating it. I only started this a few days ago, but I've been updating it every day. I'm going to start updating it even more often as we get closer and closer because when Hermosi's event is over, like when his contest is done in a few hours, this contest will be done. Let me tell you the hack of all hacks. Come closer to the screen if you are interested in this. There are only 9 people total who have participated so far. The top 10 win. The top 10 people who do this win a day with Arlan win. So there are people on there who've added one person who are going to win this if you don't jump in right now. You could probably win with 5 or 10, maybe even 3 signups just by participating. Now, of course, just like with the main event, this one might get more competitive and it may take you more to do it. But I would throw your name in the ring and refresh the bonus page once you get the email with the bonus information. Refresh that page as often as you can. I'm going to update it as much as I can, but start sending these off to people. You can start sending this off to people. And you can actually start sending it off to people now because you have the link below. Start sending that link to people. You sign up. You have to be signed up in order to participate, but then have them sign up and then it'll all start to work together. So this is Wednesday. This is before noon on Pacific on Wednesday, August 13th. This is going to go on just for another couple of days. You have just a few hours to make this work for you, but I think that you can do it. The top 10 who win Hermosi's event go win the whole thing. I have been in the top 10 the entire time I've been performing. And then I, unfortunately, let me show you this. Let me show you this. Today, I was kicked down to number 14. So it is like on, right? It is on. I'm 14. I'm not winning anymore, but I still could. Look at the difference. Number 10 has 1,563 as of right now. I have 1,312. I know that even the people watching this, like if you're watching this to this point and you sign up, just do it for me. Like if you sign up, even if you don't want the bonuses, but the bonuses are amazing, by the way, then I know that I could get back in top 10. Like I have no doubt, even if it's just the people who watched this video alone, not to mention the rest of my audience. So that is not a number we want to see. We don't want to see less than top 10. I've not been less than top 10 the entire time. I'm going to show you some of the bonuses too. While I'm doing this, this is a little older, but while I'm doing this, make sure you click on the link below and go ahead and sign up as I'm talking, just so that you can just have it done. Okay, so first of all, you get $120 in my AI prop shop. It says 20 here, but if you go down to 6, you get another 100 because we crossed the threshold and I added that. So you get $20. $120 in my AI prompt shop, which has all kinds of incredible stuff. I can show you that in a second. Then you get my revenue playbook, ebook, and audiobook. You get my memberships revenue course, which normally costs $99. Right now, it's on sale on my stand store for $99, but you get it for free. Hundreds of people have claimed that. It seems to be one of the most popular ones of the bonuses. You get 50% off all of my stand store courses, one-on-ones, and VIP days. Very specifically, if you can pay for it on stand store, with the exception of one thing I'm doing with Inner Circle, then you get 50% off. You get my List Builder Pro lifetime access so you can build your email list in 90 days. You get a custom GPT I made around Alex's new book that has already helped people figure out how to model their offer to make more money up front. And then you get a replay of Your First Million Live 2024, which normally costs $149 or costs even more if you were there. And then you get a chance to speak on stage at Your First Million 26. This one is a little bit under the radar. There are about 40 people who have applied for this. So it's still really great odds for you. You can, because you signed up for this, and if you already signed up and you just missed this, you need to go check out the bonuses page because you can actually speak on stage at Your First Million Live and talk about your company, talk about your offer. If you don't feel comfortable speaking directly, I can interview you instead. And I think that'll be really awesome. If you can't physically make it there for any purpose, we can do something recorded and play it at the event. You will have that offer. So go check that out. And when we win top 10 in just a couple of days, when we get back in the top 10 and we win, I will unlock 5 more new bonuses. Type the words 5 more bonuses in the comments if you're still with me. It'll let me know that you watched to this point. And let me know if you've signed up or if you're going to sign up today. Let me know that in the comments so I can understand a little bit of how this is resonating with people so that I understand if I have that chance. And I keep saying if, it is not if, it is when. We're going to win this top 10. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Okay. Hopefully you are ready to go. You understand the value of it, you understand the timing, urgency, and you're ready to make your life better by having Alex's uh, event in your life on Saturday morning that you sign up for now with my link in the description, and then getting my bonuses and his bonuses. You get so much for free because we're all trying to compete. That's just the bottom line. All right, I'll see you soon.